Hey guys, I want to talk to you about branding because some people get confused of what branding is. There's a difference between identity design and branding. Identity is the visual form, it's a representation of the business or brand or company that you're designing for. It's the logo, it's the business card, the flyer, the poster, the UI, the website. It's a visual system. It's all about function, it's the outer layer of the brand. It helps people recognize the brand, using symbols, typography, color, all that stuff. That's what a visual identity is, or identity system. That's what it is. It's the visuals of the design. It's all the assets, the things that you create for them. It's not branding, because people sometimes they misinterpret or they communicate to their clients like, oh, I do branding and it's on their website, but they're actually just doing identity design. Branding is more of an emotional connection. It's the inner workings of the business, how they work, who they are, their brand values, their personality, how they connect and how they communicate with their tribe and their community and their audience. That's what branding is. It's not what you say it is, it's what they say it is. It's all about differentiation. It's all about making connections, and it's all about the inner processes and how they function and how they work in that brand. So that's what branding is, and that's what identity design is. So don't get confused, and make sure you are clear on your portfolio or your website on what you do, because branding is more of the strategy and the thinking behind the brand. It's more about creating a story and telling that to the world and putting it in a way that all connects and that's relevant. And the visual system helps people identify with that brand and helps, communicate that story in a visual manner. So that's the difference. So just be clear with that, and make sure that you're using the right language and the right words. When you're communicating with clients or when you're talking to people about what you do.